Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to store data and use it later. First, let's explore the most accessible storage solutions. We'll then dive into practical tips for organizing your digital files so you can find them instantly. Finally, I'll show you easy methods to back up your important information, ensuring it's always safe and ready when you need it. This approach makes data management straightforward for everyone. Cloud storage offers incredible flexibility. Imagine accessing your documents, photos, and videos from your phone, tablet, or computer, anywhere you have internet. It also simplifies sharing, allowing you to collaborate effortlessly with others. Plus, many cloud services provide automatic backups and robust security, giving you peace of mind that your data is protected without extra effort. For larger files or when internet access is limited, local storage is key. External hard drives offer substantial capacity, often several terabytes for your extensive collections. Establishing a logical folder structure, like documents, photos, and projects, makes finding specific items much faster. Remember to periodically clear out old or duplicate files to maintain optimal performance and free up valuable space. To truly safeguard your data, adopt the 3-2-1 backup rule: 3 copies of your data on 2 different types of media with 1 copy offsite. For sensitive information, always use encryption to protect it from unauthorized access. This adds a crucial layer of security. And speaking of organization, if you're looking to streamline your life in other ways, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.